So again, and that's that classic bull trap action I be talking about. Look, fade, bounce a little bit. Like, okay, we could bounce. There's a level here. And get up and reject. Consolidate. Head lower. Then bounce. And you're like, all right. Oh, this is the one. And back up to the trend line, reject. Head lower. Bounce. And then head lower. But this time we just came down to this level, bounce again, and then we headed lower. So that's what I mean by bull trap action. Like, it bounces just enough to keep you like okay, like there's still hope for it, but every time it bounces and then sells off a little bit, the theme is it's just stepping down lower and lower. You feel me? That's what I consider trappy price action. And then what's going on here? Because I'm not seeing nothing here, bro. I'm still trying to respect that level. Or it's more, I could see something a little better there. Look at that thing just dumped. And look, as you see the bonds dump, you're seeing the S&P 500 bounce. That was a decent bounce. But is it enough volume and momentum to get above this level right here, 38.72, and hold and open a new candle on or above it? It's trying. You got the bonds broke down this level. That's not good for bonds, but they are trying to buy it up, as you can see from the wicks here. And 30 minutes to market close. Okay, now on the Qs and the SPY, still hanging around this trend line. You feel me? We did break above it, and we had a new candle open above the previous candle, breaking out of the trend. But again, we broke out of the trend here, and here. And even the new candle opened above the previous candle, kind of right here. So just like I said, like, you feel me? Like, the trend could still be intact. And that's another reason why sometimes it doesn't really matter how you draw your trend lines, because some people draw their trend lines like from the body of the candle. Other people draw them from the wicks. But it doesn't really matter which one you choose. You just have to choose one and stick with it and be consistent because of stuff like that. Because like the price action will deviate here and there regardless. You just have to be consistent. And this is a crucial level right here, bro. Boom. Look at that thing, bro. Just chopped around and consolidated on this level here decent for a while. Then we went up, sold off, came back down here, bounced, went up again, sold off more, came down here, respected this level more. So that's a decent level. I feel like there's some space missing here, bro. Let's go to the 10. How to get going to all these different charts. I'm telling you, bro, when I'm finally able to trade, not have to worry about distractions, bro. I promise you. Within 6 months of that time, bro, I will have raised my tax bracket considerably. And I've had businesses in the past. I've made decent money. I've had my own business. I made some decent money. The difference is this time I know what to do with it. Well, all the other times I was just pissing it away. Again, everything happens for a reason. Man, the times when I did, have large sums of money or was, doing pretty well for myself, my oh my, would it have been nice to have someone to kind of show me how to invest my money, etc. And so basically, that's the whole point of this channel. I don't want the next generation or younger people, or maybe not even younger, just maybe someone trying to figure out, you know what I mean, how to invest or, you know, like make their money work for them. You know what I mean? It's the whole point of this channel, bro. Why someone would be against that is beyond me. It just shows you, I don't know, the evil that's out here, bro. Some really evil, sick people in this world, bro. Okay, so around in the corner, we'll see what happens. Because, like I said yesterday, look at bonds. Yesterday, we were bullish for the majority of power hour, and then like going into the close, we started selling off, and then it almost looked like we were dumping, like going into the close, like, and I've seen that a lot, like a dump, like going into the close. So we started dumping, but like the dump stopped like right at market close. I assumed that we'd keep selling off or keep dumping or gap down or something like that. You feel me? But we didn't. Instead, we gapped up. I feel like, you know, being that everyone is super bullish, the contrarian aspect. So like the market will be contrarian. Make love to Buffalo in a rush. Pass me the keys to my truck. I mean, really, I'm not even using oh, I uninstalled it. Yeah, let's get rid of all these levels. Bro, look at this, bro. It's like straight bullishness, dude.